Hey guys, welcome back to Jacob's Aquarium. So right now, we got that same catch cup as earlier today. So we got a catch cup and there's like 3 cicadas inside. We caught a total of 8 cicadas today. That's our new that's my new record of cicadas. I never even caught this much cicadas. This is a lot of cicadas, I just mean it. That's a whole lot of cicadas. 8 cicadas in a day. Here they 3 are. There's just 3. Those are just 3 of the 8 cicadas I caught today. So here they are in the tank. I feel pretty lucky the auto thing is not on. It was this morning. Okay. I can focus better. Okay, so let's get a closer look at them. Oh, that's better. Oh my gosh, really well, but I'll get it after this video. Here they are. 3 cicadas. You can see them really well since I got the lid. I dropped it down there. That's the lid. That's the lid down there. The lid down there. What kind of lid that looks like blue? It's black. It's a black lid down there. I'll get after this video though. Yeah, here it is. A better look at them. I think I might want to put them on the ground. Yeah, maybe you could get a little better look from there. They're feisty. I may have to go to the bathroom at the end of this video too. My bladder's full. Okay, but I'm not gonna talk about the bathroom. Oh my gosh, one escaped. Did you see that? One escaped. One has escaped. I think I might need that lid. Okay, hang on guys. Hey, what are you doing on here? Holy cow! One escaped. I can't believe it. One actually escaped. One escaped. Well, that's not too bad. We still got 2. Well, it still counts as 8, even if one escapes from the container. Because I caught. Oh, yes, yes, yes. We got cicadas. Wait, where'd they go? Oh, there they are. Shoot. That was bad. Okay, I think maybe at 4 minutes I'll release the cicadas. Once this video hits about 4 minutes, I'm going to probably release the cicadas back into the wild. About almost twice as much as I did with my last cicada catch cup kind of thing. That had like 6 cicadas in there. There was like 3 cicadas in this one. Nah, you think I'm wrong, but we had 3 cicadas at the beginning of the video, so that counts as 3 in this container. Because one accidentally escaped. Oh, one looks like it has a damaged wing. Yeah. Okay, it's about to hit 4 minutes. I just. Okay, now let's release them. Then I'll release them. Did one of them land on the ground? Okay, this is in the big one.